Well, sometimes you got to make decisions, and we are here just past the Diamond Queen mine over to this big turn up Secret Pass down to Beatty. That's actually faster than going back all the way back to where we came from. So if it gets too steep though and you got to turn around, it's gonna be a long way back that way. I think we're gonna go for it. Well, what was I afraid of happened. I went up that way, almost to the top of this secret pass, and there's no way I can make it. It's crazy. Gotta turn around, go all the way back down to that valley, and head south back to Highway 95. You can see my track in front of me. It's really muddy and slippery up here. It's pretty wild. Snow line is right where we're at. Got about 2 hours till it gets dark, so probably an hour back to the highway. Time to roll. So I made it to the top of Secret Pass here. I got stuck over that ridge. Snow cap, there's another way into Beatty over that way. But couldn't make it, too wet, too snowy, too crazy. We're at the top of the hill here. And Beatty is down over that last hill to climb, I hope. We got about 2 hours of sunlight to make it back down there. And this has been a pretty wild ride. Holy cow. Sweating like crazy. Up and over Secret Pass from Area 51 area up over that ridge, and you can see the bike's pretty dirty. It was pretty crazy up there. So got about 2 hours before it gets really cold, so we got to get out of here.